Hello, Fetsukunjani. Those are on your screen. We come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyaza ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shapa Pethu kunjani cameraman mfocus wela mswatile umnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Yeah.
Yebo baba.
Yeah. On today's episode, we are looking at Kaizer Chiefs, the Orlando Pirates. Kahle.
Yeah.
Weekend iyaqala league. So we're just looking at their recent pre-season asebeyidlalile and what to expect going forward in terms of like season, because njengamanje no longer preparation, we are getting into the business now. Yeah, asiqale ngawe bhuti. Ngiyakubona usuvuke ngekhaphu nje, ngilala ngivuke nje usuwinile.
Hey, six my champion, phela thina. Siya collect.
US champions.
But speaking of Kaizer Chiefs, it's coming from pre-season.
Yeah.
Ngibonile ukuthi ngazothi awukho umehluko compared to last season. We still have a similar problems, like we can score goals. Ukuthi nje sigcina ku-1 still, you know. So Sonic I would consider still the same thing. But going to Toyota, into engiyibonile ku-Toyota ne. The speed abadlala ngaso, especially first inking about Katala. First half badlala ngesinye speed vele bayi and then uVelagas. Those guys are born with uma bethola ibhola bayaphambili. But la ngekho proud khona ngabo ukuthi mase kumele benze decision ku final third. It's either umuntu uzojikisa ibhola emuva noma enze into wrong nje. So ngathi laba bafana basadinga coaching lapho ukuthi uma solapha na what to do ke, because ngathi abekho mnandi bambe ibhola ugijima ubusuyenzana. Final product ayikho. But Kaizer Chiefs, I think they had a good first half, man. Clear game. Second half, I was not here because mambo in the coaching I said I do it. It's a safe man type of thing. Wakora ngathi azana ndawo ukuthi ufuna uya protect and ukuthi ufuna ukushayela inye goal. So I don't know. Mhlambe so wina njalo league is wina ngawa notes.
No, it's still early to tell. You don't have to be as harsh.
Yeah. But the speed was we were so unpredictable.
Just to want improvements.
We were so unpredictable with the so inside. So you know we can play the ball in my pockets. It was so nice to watch. And then another of the player that impressed me across, which unfortunately Beswali Mala, he have this thing of keeping my pass, like how boys will do it, you know. Yeah.
Right.
So it's been cool, you know. I don't keep my pass. So yes. I think it's, if I hope the injury I go that serious. Yeah. I think it's one player that will have a very good season, Kaizer Chiefs as well. So yeah.
Not hoping to see Udotle.
Now obviously Udotle, I think we're all waiting to see him come back. But obviously so okay, like he's been training with the boys. I'm trying to say about issue fitness. So obviously he's fit. Simlinde lokumbona back. We ask now that's the final product.
I'm surprised to what Malo as a final product.
Cross is obvious. Cross is obvious. It's my final product now, you know. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, I think we'll get there. Because there's this guy one Mtabani, Adolf. Low Dalisin, with defensive. I think all right now. What's imagine at Sasaba, you know, we don't want to make mistakes.
The new player you signed from Tanzania.
Tanzania
or Kenya?
I think it's Tanzania. Yeah. Oh, Adolf.
I'm so clueless.
No, that guy he can pass the ball, you know. So I think we will get there, you know. What's the game because it was his first game and
stage fright.
Yeah, but he'll eventually get there. Okay. And a big shout out to our Kaizer Chiefs fans. That stadium was packed, Baba. So you know, I feel like Kaizer Chiefs fans say Lale Role too. So it's up to the team now to impress us, you know.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, on my side, I think my address first we judging from the pre-season that we watched. I think it's the only game I didn't watch. Leo Qina. We were beaten 1-0. Ngowe pre-season, I think we look ready. Because kuningi osukubhekile, it's not just ama results. Yes, ama results now siyawadinga ukuze sibone ukuthi ngempela you can fight. but in terms of a combination play, I think we will rely more on Umaswanganye this season. Even though I still believe Guti, we need a younger number 10 who will replace Urele Ngampela. Padime, I think he can do that, but not this season.
Yeah.
Also, baby Haaland. Baby Haaland 2.0. Yeah. Pirates vele hang YouTube and they watched it.
That's right. Super shit.
Yeah. Sishayeze ngoba uthanda YouTube.
Man.
Uta Silva umthatha nje.
Yakora kodwa.
YouTube, yebo kuyavuma phela. Khona this other guy bimenyimana. Yeah, so nathi siyazama ke la ku YouTube. Yeah.
So
But
ubona
it-
YouTube impress now.
Obviously YouTube uzokukhombisa izinto ezipositive phela. It's not like uzokukhombisa the overall game yakhe. Yabo. But into engiyithandile mina hayi ngaye as a person ngithanda ukuthi si-addressa le position le ekuyiyona yona besilekha kuyo.
Yeah.
Yes, I still believe ukuthi mhlambe if usinganikeza Radio Pane
Radio Pane.
ithuba, we will be in a better position. But remember ukuthi team enkulu le. At the end of the day, we need to produce these results. Ngoba masiqeda isizini kade siwina itribula sisawini lutho sesibuyela back to the drawing board. We all shouting at management why nenza lokhu kanti at the end of the day, yabo.
Yeah.
These players nabo fanele ba show up kahle kahle. Yeah. So I'm happy ukuthi ke I team if you win kunzima ukuthi
Yeah.
you will spot new things, yabo. Until mhlambe you give it time or it's tested, then you can see what, oh okay, yes, they were able to move this way, phuma kule situation, kanjalo type of thing. Otherwise, it's the same Orlando Pirates that wants to always dominate ngebhola and stay in your half as long as they can. Even though ngifisa ukubona new faces emuva in terms of number 3 or number 3 and the pair Kasiema. Take nothing away from my captain, he's been a good servant of Orlando Pirates, but I want to see new face there. I won't name drop, I'm just gonna leave it at that.
Aye.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess.
We are defending our title, yebo.
Oh,
All of them, yebo. How? That's me being confident ngento
Bookmark.
esiyenzayo.
I'll bookmark that.
Inkinga ukuthi ngeke uyidlale mase sesikwenzile. So when you are looking at the negative party,
I'm
you should
really-
also come
Yeah,
back.
the
Manje sesiyenze ukuthi washo.
Man, icup yokuqala ngiwinayo nje M10-8.
All right.
So which means already you're not defending it.
Okay.
There you have it.
Okay. Wena nje uzothatha icup.
Icup
eyodwa.
uzoyithatha. Eyi-1 uzoyithatha.
Eyodwa.
M10-8 ngayithatha.
Eyodwa.
Ngafuna wonke vele. Ukuthi
Lento yokufuna angifuna vele ukuthi ngiyathatha.
ngithatha
Hayi.
M10-8.
Okay.
Yes, that's the first cup esiyithathayo.
All right. Hayi. It's gonna be there by YouTube. Yeah, my friend, to see you on another one.